gauges. Just started it, so temp's still cold. It's got a radio down there that works, and put a kind of an add-on console, so they didn't cut up the dash or anything, which is a nice deal. Good driving truck. 81, 174 have no documentation on the mileage. But nice driving truck, runs good. Pretty airtight, but of course with the exhaust right behind you, you do hear that. Only made 2 years. Most of you that are into Lil Red Expresses realize that, know they were low production. It's come from out in Newell, South Dakota. Got a bunch of receipts with it from years and years ago. 360 automatic, power steering, power brakes. This is also an air truck. Steering works good, brakes work good. Good running truck. So if you're wanting a Lil Red Express, this is not a perfect truck, but pretty darn nice truck. 605-695-7391.